Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Baking Basics with Chef Sarah, and today we are making Blackforest chocolate cake. Now this is a recipe that is something that we all grew up with. I'm sure each of us has had one birthday where we celebrated with a Blackforest chocolate cake. I actually had the pleasure of visiting Blackforest in Germany. The most distinct memory I had was, besides the beautiful scenery, there was a lake. It was peppered with little souvenir shops that actually sold souvenirs of Blackforest postcards, magnets. So they really take pride in the cake being named after Blackforest in Germany. Alright, so what does a Blackforest chocolate cake consist of? First would be the chocolate sponge, the second being the dark cherries, and the third would be the whipped cream topping. Now, the fourth component, which is known as kirsch liquor, or also known as cherry liquor, is something that us Muslims cannot consume because of its alcoholic content. So unfortunately for us Muslims, we have to omit this in our Blackforest chocolate cake. And how to replace it with a simple cherry syrup to keep the cake moist and maintain the flavor of the cherries without the alcohol, making it accessible to Muslims, non-Muslims who do not wish to enjoy the alcohol. Out of the oven, and we're gonna touch it. If it springs back, it's ready to go. So we're gonna take it out and allow it to cool.